Alright, so to start off, I just have my string that I use for most of my cat's cradle string tricks, but I've decided to double it up today. Alright, so I have my doubled up string, and now all I'm going to do is lay it across my palm like this. This is just like a basic cat's cradle preparation. Now I'm going to take my middle finger and I'm going to put it through the string on the opposite palm, and I'm going to do the same thing here to look like this. This is called open A. And now I'm going to take my thumbs and I'm going to go over this string and pick up this string here and bring it back to look like this. Now I'm going to take this string here, the bottom string on my thumb, and I'm just going to put it over my thumbs. And last thing I'm going to do is drop the pinkies. And there you have it, cup and saucer. Alright, I'm going to show you it all again just a little bit quicker. So I have my doubled up string. I am going to put in my middle finger. It should look like this. I'm going to go over the first one, grab the second one, pull this over, drop the pinkies, and there we go, cup and saucer. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a star, which is a couple of steps with cup and saucer.